Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to take partials right here on MooMoo. So I'm not using a real life trading account, I'm using a paper trading account, but it works almost the same for a live trading account. Because if I go right here to my paper trading account, you see right here that this is the place where I created myself a trade on Nvidia. And I want to take partials. So let's say this trade was doing pretty well. Then I see right here that I'm having a quantity of 2. And if I go to the right, I can sell right here quantity of 1. So if I click right now here on sell, you see right here that we sold or try to sell 1 share of Nvidia. And if I go back to my positions, you see that after selling this position that we are having 1 share more of Nvidia, so we take 1 share partials from our profit or loss. So now it's still working on the chart, so we need to wait for a little bit, but this is how you can take partials right here from MooMoo. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.